This is the complete guide to Luma Dream Machine, the AI video generator from Luma AI that produces some of the most photorealistic, physics-accurate footage of any AI video tool available today. By the end of this video you will know exactly how Luma works, how to write prompts that get cinematic results every time, how image-to-video and keyframe control work, every camera move Luma understands, the hybrid workflow professionals are using to produce the best output, how it compares to Runway, Sora, Kling, and Pika, every pricing plan, and the real use cases creators are shipping with it right now. Let us get into it. Luma Dream Machine is an AI video generator from Luma AI, a company founded in 2021 that originally built technology for 3D scene capture in neural radiance field rendering, known as NeRF. That 3D scene understanding technology is the foundation of Dream Machine. Where other AI video generators learn patterns from flat video data, Luma builds an internal 3D model of the scene before generating motion, which is why its physics simulation is more accurate than most competitors. Dream Machine launched in 2024 and immediately drew attention for the realism of its output. It generates video from text descriptions or still images, with cloth, water, hair, faces, and rigid objects all moving in physically plausible ways. Camera control is specified per generation. Dolly, orbit, first-person view, tracking shots, and dolly zoom are all supported. The platform is used by professional filmmakers, VFX teams, game studios, and commercial production teams worldwide. Let me walk through every major Luma Dream Machine feature. Text-to-video, describe any scene in plain English and Luma generates cinematic footage. The more cinematically you write the prompt, the more cinematic the output. Image-to-video, upload any still image, a photo, an illustration, a product shot, and Luma animates it with physically realistic motion. Keyframe control, upload 2 images, a start frame and an end frame, and Luma generates the motion that connects them. This gives you precise control over the beginning and end of every clip. Camera motion, specify the exact camera move for each generation. Dolly, orbit, first-person view, tracking shot, or dolly zoom. Extend, add seconds to any existing clip. Luma continues the scene consistently, no quality loss at the join. Character seeds maintain a consistent character appearance across multiple generations. Loop generation creates seamlessly looping clips. And the API gives programmatic access for integrating Luma into your own production pipeline. Here is how to create your first Luma Dream Machine video. Step 1. Go to lumalabs.ai/dreammachine and sign in. Google or email, free credits are included on sign-up, no card required. Step 2. Choose text-to-video and write your prompt. Think cinematically, describe the subject, what they are doing, the environment, the camera move, and the lighting. Specific language produces specific results. Step 3. Select your aspect ratio, 16:9 for landscape, 9:16 for vertical, then choose a camera motion or leave it on auto. Hit generate. Step 4. Your clip is ready in 1 to 3 minutes. Download as an MP4 for your editing timeline, or hit extend to continue the scene seamlessly. The quality of your Luma output depends almost entirely on how you write the prompt. Here is the formula that produces cinematic results consistently. Subject first, describe exactly who or what is in the shot with specific visual detail. A woman in a white linen dress, not a person, not a figure. Specific. Action second, describe what is happening, the movement, the gesture, the transformation. Walking slowly through tall golden wheat fields. Environment third, where is this scene and when? Location, time of day, weather, and atmosphere, these define the light and mood. Camera fourth, how is the shot framed and how does it move? A slow tracking shot with shallow depth of field produces a completely different clip than a wide static overhead. Finally, always add style keywords at the end, cinematic, photorealistic, 35mm film. These push Luma toward its highest quality output register. Image-to-video is where Luma produces its most impressive results. Step 1. Prepare a high-quality still image. Sharp, well-lit, and high-resolution. The best workflow is to generate the image in Midjourney or ideogram first, then bring it into Luma. The image quality directly determines the video quality. Step 2. Upload to Luma and switch to image to video mode. Select image to video, upload your image, and add a short motion prompt. Step 3. Write the motion prompt. Describe what moves and how: hair, eyes, background, light. Keep it to 1 or 2 specific motions for the most controlled result. Step 4. For scenes with a specific start and end state, use keyframe mode. Upload a start frame and an end frame, and Luma generates the transition between them. This gives you full directorial control over where the shot begins and ends. Camera control is one of Luma's most powerful differentiators. Here is every move and when to use it. Dolly in and out. The camera physically moves toward or away from the subject. Dolly in creates intimacy and tension. Dolly out creates isolation and scale. It is the most used move for a reason. It is the most emotionally versatile. Orbit. The camera circles around the subject for a 360-degree feel. Essential for product shots, character reveals, and environment establishing shots. FPV or first-person view, an immersive, forward-moving shot that puts the viewer inside the scene. Used for travel content, chase sequences, exploration, and point-of-view footage. Tracking shot. The camera follows the subject laterally as it moves, the classic cinematic follow shot where the subject stays centered in frame. And dolly zoom. The camera moves back while the zoom tightens simultaneously, the Hitchcock effect that creates a sense of psychological vertigo. The key tip: name the move explicitly in your prompt using these exact terms. Luma reads film terminology and applies it accurately. Every Luma Dream Machine generation produces a 5-second clip. To build longer scenes, you use the Extend feature. Hit Extend on any clip and Luma continues the motion and scene seamlessly. The quality holds and there is no visible seam at the join point. You can add a new prompt for each extension to guide the direction of the continued scene. For even more control, use Keyframe Extend, provide an end frame image and Luma generates toward it specifically. In practice, 3 to 4 extensions work well before motion drift becomes noticeable. The best use cases for Extend are longer product shots that need to rotate through multiple angles, scene building where you are assembling a location shot by shot, and continuous motion sequences for music videos or atmospheric content. Any individual clip or the full join sequence can be exported as a single MP4. Who is Luma Dream Machine for? Filmmakers and directors use it for pre-visualization, generating cinematic scenes from shot descriptions before a real shoot. VFX and motion artists use Luma for physics-accurate footage plates that would otherwise require expensive practical effects or CGI simulation. Music video creators are producing high-realism visual narratives that rival broadcast production quality. Game studios are generating cinematic promotional trailers from concept art. Commercial producers are creating product and brand footage without booking a studio or a crew. Social content creators are generating viral reels where the photorealism gets mistaken for real footage. And architects and spatial designers are animating still renders into walkthrough-style showcase videos for client presentations. The workflow that produces the highest quality Luma output consistently is the hybrid approach used by most professional creators. Step 1. Generate your source image in Midjourney or Ideogram. At this stage you have precise control over the visual style, composition, and lighting. Invest the time here because image quality directly determines video quality. Step 2. Import that image into Luma and use image to video with a focused motion prompt. A high-quality input image produces dramatically better animated output than a text prompt starting from scratch. Step 3. Extend the best clip 2 to 3 times to build the full scene. Guide each extension with a new prompt describing where the motion goes. Use keyframe mode for extensions where you need a precise ending frame. Step 4. Take your clips into CapCut, Premiere, or DaVinci Resolve. Color grade, cut to music, and publish. Luma outputs clean MP4 files that drop straight into any editing timeline. Here is the honest comparison. Versus Runway Gen 4, Luma leads on physics simulation and NeRF-based scene understanding. Runway has a faster iteration cycle and better built-in editing tools. Versus Sora, Luma is available right now with a free tier. Sora supports longer clips with higher scene consistency at scale. Versus Kling AI, Luma's 3D scene understanding produces more physically accurate object behavior. Kling has comparable camera control with more accessible pricing tiers. Versus Pika Labs, Luma leads on physics accuracy and realism. Pika has pick effects for one-click creative effects and faster generation times. Versus Stable Video Diffusion, Luma is hosted and requires no setup. Stable Video can run locally with unlimited generation for those willing to manage the environment. Versus Hailuo, Luma's NeRF base gives it stronger object consistency across the frame. Hailuo generates faster at the same quality tier. The honest summary, Luma Dream Machine is the best choice when photorealism and physics-accurate motion are the priority. For speed, one-click effects, or local control, other tools lead. Luma Dream Machine pricing. The free plan gives you 30 generations per month. Output is 720p and watermarked, on the standard generation queue. Enough to fully evaluate the tool and learn the prompt framework. Basic is $9.99 a month, 200 generations, 1080p, no watermark, and priority queue. The right starting plan for regular individual use. Standard is $29.99 a month, 400 generations, 4K output, a faster queue, and commercial use rights. If you are generating content for clients or commercial projects, Standard is where you need to be. Pro is $99.99 a month, 2000 generations, maximum 4K quality, the fastest queue, and API access included. Enterprise is custom priced with unlimited generation, dedicated infrastructure, a service level agreement, and custom model options. My recommendation: start free to learn the prompt formula. Move to Basic for watermark free output. Upgrade to Standard when you need 4K and commercial rights. Before you use Luma for commercial or client work, there are important limitations to know. The 5-second clip limit means longer scenes require extend, and scene management between clips takes care and iteration. Complex facial expressions over longer clips can show distortion or artifacts. Luma is stronger on environmental and object motion than sustained close-up facial performance. Text inside generated video is not reliably readable. Do not rely on Luma for title cards or signage. The prompt is highly sensitive. Small wording changes produce very different results. Build in time for iteration on every project. Commercial use rights require the standard plan or above. Free and basic plan outputs are not licensed for commercial use. Do not generate realistic likenesses of real, identifiable people without their explicit consent. YouTube, Meta, and other platforms require disclosure that AI-generated video was used. And check whether the output is watermarked before delivering to any client. 7 tips that consistently improve your Luma output. 1. Always start with a high-quality image from Midjourney or Ideogram rather than text-only generation. The improvement in output quality is significant. 2. Keep your motion prompt short. 10 to 15 words of specific motion description beats 50 words of vague intention every time. 3. Use film language rack focus, shallow depth of field, 35mm. Luma reads these terms and applies them accurately. 4. When you want the camera completely still, specify static shot, camera locked. Luma defaults to some camera movement unless you explicitly exclude it. 5. When you know exactly where a clip needs to start and end, use keyframe mode. It gives you precise control that text prompts alone cannot achieve. 6. Generate at 5 seconds first, evaluate the motion quality, then extend only the best result. Do not extend before you know the base clip is worth continuing. 7. Add explicit exclusions, no camera movement, no text, no distortion. These improve reliability and reduce artifact frequency. Here is everything you need. Start at lumalabs.ai/dreammachine, free account, 30 generations per month, no card. Upgrade to Standard at $29.99 when you need 4K output and commercial rights, available at lumalabs.ai/pricing. The official Learning Hub at lumalabs.ai/learninghub has prompt examples and technique guides worth reading before your first session. If you want to compare Luma to a tool with similar realism at different pricing, Kling AI at klingai.com is worth evaluating, link in the description. All links are below. If this guide helped you understand what Luma can do, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI creative tool every week. Now go generate something cinematic. See you in the next one.